Exploration has always been fueled by human curiosity and the desire to uncover the unknown. Yet, throughout history, many expeditions have ended in mystery, leaving behind tales of vanished crews, lost treasures, and inexplicable discoveries. What happened to those who dared to venture into the uncharted? Join me as we delve into the top 10 most puzzling events in exploration history that continue to baffle historians and adventurers alike. 1. The disappearance of the Franklin Expedition, 1845. One of the most famous mysteries of Arctic exploration, the Franklin Expedition set out to find the Northwest Passage in 1845. Led by Sir John Franklin, the crew of 129 men vanished without a trace. Decades later, their remains were found, along with artifacts indicating they suffered from starvation and possibly resorted to cannibalism. The exact fate of the crew and what went wrong remains largely unknown. 2. The Lost Colony of Roanoke, 1587. When the English colonists arrived at Roanoke Island, they found the settlement abandoned with only the word Croatoan carved into a post. What happened to the settlers remains a mystery. Some theories suggest they assimilated with local tribes, while others propose they perished from disease or starvation. The fate of the lost colony continues to intrigue historians and amateur sleuths alike. 3. The Vanishing of Flight, 1945. Flight 19, a group of 5 TBM Avenger torpedo bombers, disappeared over the Bermuda Triangle during a routine training flight. The squadron's disappearance led to a massive search and rescue operation, which itself resulted in the loss of a rescue plane. Despite extensive investigations, no trace of the aircraft was ever found, fueling theories of paranormal activity and otherworldly phenomena in the infamous area. 4. The Mystery of the Nazca Lines, 500 BCE, 500 CE. The Nazca Lines in Peru are massive geoglyphs etched into the desert floor, depicting various animals and shapes. Created by the Nazca civilization, their purpose remains a subject of debate. Were they astronomical markers, religious symbols, or something else entirely? Despite extensive research, the true significance of these ancient lines continues to puzzle archaeologists and historians. 5. The fate of the HMS Endeavour, 1770. Captain James Cook's ship, HMS Endeavour, famously charted New Zealand and the eastern coast of Australia. However, after its return to Britain, the vessel disappeared from historical records. It was later discovered that Endeavour was scuttled in a Rhode Island harbor to create a blockade during the American Revolutionary War. The disappearance of such a significant ship and its legacy left many unanswered questions. 6. The mysterious stone structures of the Great Zimbabwe, 1100-1450 CE. Great Zimbabwe is a massive stone city built by the Shona people in southeastern Africa. The intricacy and scale of the stone structures are astounding, yet little is known about the civilization that built them. Why did they abandon such an impressive city, and what led to their decline? The enigmatic ruins continue to fascinate researchers and remain steeped in mystery. 7. The abandonment of the Antarctic base camp, 1959. In 1959, a team of scientists established a base in Antarctica for research. Yet, after a year, the camp was mysteriously abandoned, and the crew was never located. What caused them to leave in such haste? Theories range from environmental dangers to an undisclosed emergency, but the truth remains elusive, making it one of the more chilling mysteries of exploration. 8. The Lost Treasure of the Flor de la Mar, 1511. The Flor de la Mar was a Portuguese ship that sank off the coast of Malaysia while carrying a fortune in gold and precious gems. Despite numerous attempts to locate the wreck, the treasure remains undiscovered. The legend of the Flor de la Mar continues to entice treasure hunters and historians, leaving many questions about its fate and the value it carried. 9. The enigmatic Moai of Easter Island, c. 1400-1650 CE. The Moai statues of Easter Island are an enduring symbol of ancient Polynesian culture. However, the method of their transportation and the reasons behind their construction remain largely unresolved. How did the Rapa Nui people move these massive stone figures, and why were they erected? The mystery surrounding the Moai continues to fascinate and puzzle researchers to this day. 10. The disappearance of the ancient Mayan civilization, c. 900 CE. The ancient Maya civilization was renowned for its impressive cities and achievements. Yet, by the end of the 9th century, many of these cities were mysteriously abandoned. Various theories abound, from drought and climate change to warfare and societal collapse. Despite ongoing research, the precise cause of the Maya's decline remains one of history's greatest enigmas. The history of exploration is filled with intriguing mysteries that not only highlight our curiosity, but also the limits of our understanding. These puzzling events remind us that there is still much to discover and learn about our world and its past. As we continue to uncover the secrets of exploration, who knows what other astonishing stories await us?